So my brother's Arrow exhaust sounds pretty damn cool. Makes me want to get an exhaust, but I really love the look of the R6 exhaust so much. The sound could be better, but yeah. Yeah, so what I was saying about the exhaust is if you know, maybe eventually I'll turn myself onto it more, but if I can, you know, really dig the looks of, like, you know, Yoshi pipe or one of the other exhausts over the stock R6 you know, titanium exhaust, then maybe then I would go for it. But so far I think the R6 exhaust is like one of the nicest looking ones out there. So I haven't you know, made any actual plans to change that. I feel a little squiddy today because I'm wearing just a regular pair of jeans. I'm not wearing my riding jeans. I need to get a pair of riding jeans or like some kind of mesh overlay pants that are the right length for these new riding shoes I got, because otherwise they drag, and I hate that. It's kind of trafficy today. And so yeah, the other fun thing that I went through about 2 weeks ago was I had to get my one wisdom tooth pulled. Luckily I didn't have to get all four pulled because they're not bothering me, but one of them was, and that was my first tooth being pulled. It was the funny thing is, it was actually not as bad as I thought it was going to be to get it pulled. So I mean, that's a relief thinking about it now, because the 2 nights before, you know, knowing that I'm going to have to get it pulled, I could not fall asleep, and I would have like a nightmare thinking about, you know, somebody yanking all, you know, that tooth out. So yeah, I don't really have too much to talk about. I didn't really have anything else really planned as far as topics go. Sure, there were things that I was thinking about, but I didn't write them down, and I'm usually pretty forgetful. That's one of the things I worry about as I get older, is that I seem to be more forgetful.